Ever wondered why your skin feels like a desert in winter? It's not just the cold. It's the sneaky transepidermal water loss stealing your skin's moisture. Just like you layer your clothes to stay warm, layering your skincare can keep your skin hydrated and glowing all season long. Hot showers might feel heavenly, but they can strip your skin of natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Enter the genius hack of shower sandwiching. Apply body oil before and after your shower to lock in moisture and protect your skin barrier. Slugging is the ultimate nighttime hydration trick. Layer a thick, occlusive balm over your moisturizers to keep your skin hydrated all night. Remember, slugging works best when layered over moisture-rich products. Think of it as sealing in all the goodness. Don't forget your hands and nails. They need extra love too. Apply a hydrating hand cream and cuticle oil daily to keep them soft and strong. Moisturized nails grow faster and healthier. Massaging cuticle oil can even stimulate blood flow for better nail growth. As the seasons change, so should your skincare routine. Layering up on moisture can keep your skin deeply hydrated and protected. Keep your skin happy and hydrated all winter long with these expert-approved layering hacks. Your skin will thank you.